Greetings viewers, today we delve into the world of ancient wisdom and explore the incredible benefits of the Gyan Mudra, a sacred hand gesture that has been practiced for centuries. Join me as we uncover the transformative effects of the simple yet powerful mudra. The Gyan Mudra, also known as the Mudra of Knowledge, is formed by joining the tip of the thumb with the tip of the index finger while keeping the other three fingers extended. This symbolic gesture holds deep spiritual significance in various cultures and is believed to enhance concentration, focus, and mental clarity. One of the primary benefits of the Gyan Mudra is its ability to stimulate the brain by bringing the thumb and index finger together. A closed electrical circuit is created, which is thought to channel the flow of energy inwards. This energy circulation is believed to activate the brain cells, leading to improved cognitive functions and enhanced memory. In the realm of meditation and mindfulness, the Gyan Mudra plays a pivotal role. Adopting this mudra during meditation helps quiet the mind and facilitates a deeper connection with one's inner self. It is an excellent tool for those seeking to cultivate a sense of inner peace, a spiritual awareness. Stress has become an inevitable part of our modern lives, but the Gyan Mudra offers a natural remedy. The mudra is known to reduce stress and anxiety levels by promoting a sense of calmness and tranquility. Practicing the Gyan Mudra regularly can be a simple yet effective technique to manage the pressure of daily life. For individuals grappling with sleep disturbances, incorporating the Gyan Mudra into together routine might bring about positive changes. The mudra is believed to balance the elements within the body, helping to regulate sleep patterns. As a result, it can be a valuable aid for those seeking a restful night's sleep. The Gyan Mudra is not just limited to mental well-being. It also has tangible physical benefits. Regular practice is thought to stimulate the endocrine system, aiding in the regulation of hormones. This hormonal balance can have a positive impact on various bodily functions, contributing to overall health. Whether you are a student preparing for exam or a professional seeking improved productivity, the Gyan Mudra can be a valuable ally. The increased focus and concentration associated with this mudra can enhance your ability to grasp information, make decisions, and perform tasks with greater efficiency. In conclusion, the Gyan Mudra stands as a beacon of ancient wisdom, offering a plethora of benefit for the mind, body, and spirit. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, integrating this sacred hand gesture into our daily routine may prove to be a simple yet profound step towards holistic well-being. Embrace the Gyan Mudra and unlock the doors to enhanced knowledge, inner peace, and a healthier life.